Have you ever come across a party with friends and while splitting the bill, you reached out for your phone? If I ask you to divide 300 by 7 using traditional method, then that's how you get the answer as 42.85. Isn't it taxing to write so many steps? In this era of instant gratification, we look for quick answer. Hi, this is Shilpa, and in today's video, we'll do reciprocals 1 to 30 mentally. Human beings love to observe patterns. So this reciprocal method is based on observing patterns. What is reciprocal? Reciprocal of a number x is given by 1 upon x. For example, if I ask you the reciprocal of the number 7, your answer is 1 upon 7. So what is the reciprocal of 19? That is 1 by 19. Now that you know the meaning of the word reciprocal, let's get into finding the reciprocals of numbers which you already know very well. So for ease of calculation, instead of 1 in the numerator, we'll take 100. You already know 100 divided by 2 gives you 50. So what is 100 divided by 4? Of course, that is 25. So again, we'll do the half of this, which is 100 by 8 gives you 12.5. Again, if I do the half, 100 divided by 16 would be, yes, 6.25. Right? So it was easy when we were connecting it to the previous number. Similarly, how about 100 you divide in 3 equal parts? You get the answer as 33.33. Now, can you get me 100 divided by 6? Yes, on the left hand side divide by 2. So right hand side also you will divide by 2. So 100 by 6 is 16.66. How about again dividing by 2? So you get 100 by 12, which is 8.33. Again, if I do the half of it, I get 100 by 24, which is 4.166. Right. Now moving on, how about 100 by 5? Easy, 20. So what is 100 by 10? 100 by 20? 5. And if I ask you 100 by 25, it is 4. Can we safely say that you already know the reciprocal of these numbers? So let's move on to the reciprocal of other numbers. Moving on to 100 by 7. What is double of 7? 14. Double of 14? 28. So easy, right? You will remember 100 by 7 is 14.28. Now what is 100 by 14? Yeah, half of it, 7.14. Now if you know 100 by 14, what is 100 by 28? Yes, 3.57. Now 9 and 11 will remember it as 9, 2, 11. 9 has got 11 in the answer, 11 has got 9 in the answer. So what is 100 by 9? 11.11. What is 100 by 11? 9.09. Easy to remember, right? Now for 19 and 21, we'll connect to 100 by 20. You already know 100 by 20 very well. So you'll add 0.25 and subtract 0.25. Now where will you add? 100 by 21, which is 5.25. And what is 100 by 19? Yes, 4.75. Just for ease of remembrance, we are connecting 19 and 21 to 5. You know 100 by 20 very well, and hence we'll remember what is 100 by 19 and 100 by 21. Next, we'll move on to two multiples of 3, which is 100 by 15 and 100 by 18. Now 100 by 15 is easy because remember you have done 100 by 5, which is 20. So 100 by 15 will be, yes, 20 divided by 3, which is 6.666. Now how about 100 by 18? Yes, you know 100 by 9, 11.11. So half, I get 100 by 18 as 5.55. So both these multiples of 3 will remember as a number which is recurring. In 15 you have 6 recurring and in 18 you have 5 recurring. Now going further, between 20 to 30, what are the prime numbers? 23 and 29. So how do we remember this? Can I safely assume you know 100 by 30? Yes, 3.33. So we will connect the prime numbers to this. 100 by 30 is 3.33. Can you be sure your 100 by 29 will be little more than 3.33? So it's a very nice number, which is 345. 100 by 29 is 3 consecutive numbers, little more than 3.33. So it is 345. Now, if you know 100 by 29, you know 100 by 23, the other prime number. So just jumble these numbers. So 100 by 23 will be 4.35. Have you taken care of all the prime numbers between 1 to 30? No. How about 13 and 17? If you come across something really interesting, please ensure that you put in the comments. So 100 by 13, if you can remember, that is 7.69. 100 by 17 is 5.88. So 100 by 18 is 5.55. So definitely 100 by 17 is little more than that. So try to connect it to some number. Moving on, how about 100 by 27? Yeah, you know 100 by 9, which is 11.11. So 100 by 27 will be, divide by 3. You get 3.70. How about 100 by 26? Connect to 100 by 13. So 100 by 26 will be 3.84. How about 100 by 22? Easy, right? Because you know 100 by 11, which is 9.09. So 100 by 22 would be 4.54. So we have done the reciprocals from numbers 1 to 30. Now try, can you remember all these numbers mentally? So if I ask you what is 1 by 14, remember we connect it to 7, which is 14.28, half, 7.14. How about 1 by 8? Connect to 1 by 4, 25, half, 12.5. How about 1 by 19? Remember we connected 1 by 19 to 1 by 20. 1 by 20 is 5. So 1 by 19 will be adding 0.25, you get 5.25. How about 1 by 23? Yes, 3, 4, 5 jumbled up, which is 4.35. Now there are more interesting patterns in this reciprocal. Now let's see the multiples of the reciprocal. Let's start with 7. Remember what is 100 by 7? Yes, double of 7, 14 and double of 14, 28. Now if you remember 100 by 7, we'll remember the multiples easily. So remember the numbers 1, 4, 2, 8 and along with it just remember 5 and 7. So you would easily remember all the multiples of 100 by 7. So what is 200 by 7? Double of 14, 28 and double of 28. So can you see in the cycle 28.57. Now what is 300 by 7? Yes, it starts with 4. So 42.85. Now just look at the circle. Similarly, if I ask you 400 by 7, so it starts with, yes, 5. So 400 by 7 will be 57.14. So you just have to remember the starting number. The other numbers will be in that cyclic manner. So how about 500 by 7? Yes, it starts with 7. So 71.42. How about 600 by 7? Yes, it starts with 8. So 600 by 7 will be 85.71. Moving on to other multiples. What is 100 by 9? 11.11. So you already know 200 by 9. Double. 300 by 9. Yes, 33.33. So 400 by 9 and 500 by 9. So how about 100 by 11? Yes. So 200 by 11. Easy, right? 300 by 11. 400 by 11 and 500 by 11. 100 by 8. Yes, 12.5. So 200 by 8. Double. 25. 300 by 8 would be 37.5. 400 by 8, yes, 50. And 500 by 8, just add 12.5, you get 62.5. So you see, if you remember these reciprocals, so a lot of divisions becomes really easy. So for example, if I ask you 300 divided by 11, so you would not divide 300 exactly by 11. You'll remember 100 by 11, which is 9.09. So 300 divided by 11, straight away you get the answer as 27.27. A quick quiz. Remember what is 100 by 13? So can you tell me what is 200 by 13? Yes, double of 7.69, which is 15.38. How about 400 by 9? Yes, 11.11 into 4. How about 600 by 7? Remember the cycle 142857. So 600 by 7 gives you 85.17. Now that you have done the reciprocals of numbers 1 to 30 easily, we'll move on to tougher division questions. So how about if I give you a random 3-digit divided by a random 4-digit? Can such questions be done mentally? Yes, the next video will be on the same. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.